What's up, guys? This is Anyone Username here, and this is a unboxing video for the Climate Keeper Space Heater. So, guys, I already have a this space heater, guys. So you probably see it in the background, and yeah. But fortunately, guys, it's going bye bye. The reason why, because this thing is, well, loud. So the comparison of this thing and comparison to this. So, guys, now let's unbox this thing, shall we? Before we can do that, here is the features it has, and also here is the other features, guys. I can see on the side. And yes, it has a front-facing grill, which is pretty cool. So here we go. Okay, first off, we have the manual, of course, which is I already know how to operate this thing. Okay. And yes, I am doing it one-handed here. Alright, guys, this is on the on the spit heater, and yes, it rattles like crazy, guys. So, so guys, I can see this is on the power cord, and also, of course, the on the temperature thing, and including the high and low. So this grill is not rattling, but I put something like that. Alright, guys, now I will get this thing. I'll get this cord unraveled, and yes, I'll be keeping the box. So if I want to use it, I will be more glad to use it. So please stand by while I get this cord unraveled. Alright, guys, now I got the cord unraveled. Very long cord. Alright, guys, please stand by while I get this fan. I meant this heater. Plugged in. Okay, guys. Now the reason why it's on a stool because I wanted to. Alright, guys. Now this light means is on. So if you tip it, it will turn off. So I will let it calm down a little bit. Turn the temperature up. Make sure I will put it on the top. Here we go. Give a moment to warm up, guys. So it might glow a little bit, or I'll turn up just a little bit. It is not getting warm, which is good. And also, guys, if I put on high, watch it light. it will flicker a little bit, so if you can see that. And it is not getting warm. So let me turn on the light out so you guys can see it glow. Yep, it's getting warm. Yep, it's getting warm, guys. It's starting to glow. So it would take it would take a minute to warm up, guys. So yeah. So yeah, feels warm to the touch. I like it. It's quiet. So yeah, I would turn it off and put it on the turn off the temperature. So if I just turn it on, nothing will happen. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it cool. And also, it would do this. It would do the same thing. And also, guys, the light will stay on unless it is untipped, or unless or the plug is unplugged. So, guys, if you have questions about this climate change, I'm a climate keeper. Be sure to ask, and I want to know what is your favorite fan, including your favorite space heater. So, let's goodbye and have a great evening and stay safe.